daylight caught on camera, and the victim fights back. She was riding a bicycle with others in Lanikai on the well-traveled Lanikai Loop when someone walking the other way tried to grab her bag. The would-be victim...
As we can see, there's increment in snatching cases. So, our product will solve this problem. Our invention is about a device security mechanism with an alarm system as the features. It is to keep things safe and effective, loud enough to make the snatchers flustered, and we can track it with the noise. This device utilizes two fundamental physics concepts, which is tension and sound wave. Firstly, we employ force detection. It is integrated sensor measure the amount of force applied to the device. When a sudden significant force occurs exceed a predetermined threshold, the system is triggered. This detection is based on the principle that force is a measurable interaction causing a change in motion. Secondly, the triggered event activates a sound wave generator, which is the buzzer. This generator produces audible sound wave. Sound waves are longitudinal waves propagating through a medium, in this case, air. The generated sound waves are designed to be loud and attention-grabbing to make the snatchers flustered. Therefore, the device operates by detecting a sudden wave exceeding a specific threshold and subsequently producing sound waves to create an audible alarm. Here is the objective of our project, which is to ensure the safety of the wearer, especially women, to reduce the rate of robbing that occur in this world, and to protect our belongings from the theft. Expected outcome and discussion.
Tolong aku balun. Mana potong jap. Alright. Boleh?
Boleh lah.
Tengok. Boleh.
This is the prototype of our project, which successfully conducted theoretically and experimentally. This board demonstrates how a force detection system works. It used a pressure sensor located here to measure force. When pressure is applied, the sensor sends a signal to an Arduino Uno, which is a small computer inside the box. The Arduino is programmed to recognize when the pressure exceeds a certain level, indicating a sudden forceful pull. If the pressure goes above this level, the Arduino activates a buzzer and the LED light. The buzzer makes a loud sound and the LED light turns on to act as an alarm. The box is powered by the power bank, so it can be used anywhere. This setup simply shows how the force is detected and used to trigger the alarm. Here is the demonstration how it works. To achieve the successful result, we have faced some challenges. One of the challenges is limited adaptability. This is because the tension-based mechanism may not account for different types of theft, such as pickpocketing. This mechanism is only effective against specific theft scenarios, for example snatching. In addition, false alarm is also one of the challenges. Inaccurate setting on the correct tension threshold to differentiate between normal movement and theft attempt may cause false alarm or failure to detect theft. Moreover, dependency on external intervention is also one of the challenges. The alarm relies on others noticing and responding to the theft attempt. If in isolated areas or situations where passerby ignore the alarm, the mechanism may fail to prevent theft effectively. To summarize, the Z-Safe device attached to a bag strap is a simple yet effective way to keep the wearer, especially women, safe from the theft. It detects any sudden pulling or snatching of the bag and triggers a loud alarm to alert both the wearer and the people nearby. This helps stop thieves and protect the wearer's belongings. The device offers an easy solution to increase personal security and reduce the risk of theft in everyday situations. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.